This camper is under 30 feet but has a 15-foot garage. This is a 2024 Wolfpack 26PACK15. For a camper under 30 feet, this thing has an insanely spacious interior. That 15x8 garage is accompanied by a 30-gallon fuel tank. And over here we do have an outdoor shower station. You got your water connections, exhaust, cable satellite hookup. You already know this bad boy is equipped with solar. Back around to the front here, you see we got this wide open storage. That's your prep for your generator. And then of course we got a great outdoor party setup. We got the leash latch up front. This will hold up to 1,500 pounds, so you can put one or more animals on that thing. We got, I believe, a 15-foot awning here. We got dual speakers below, and then you can mount a TV right between those. We actually have another latch in the back, so you can hook up dogs to that, or maybe if the kids are being naughty, you can hook them up. Let's get on inside this honker. Check it out. Wowie zowie, you guys. Look at that. We'll head to the very back onto our patio deck. If you want, you can fold this down into your ramp, drive your toys up into your 15-foot garage. Otherwise, this is just a deck. Great for hanging out. You can close the kids or the dogs in here. We do have a mount for a backup camera right next to our big bright LED. And then this whole mechanism here is a Happy Jack bed system. That's a king bunk up top. It's currently lifted to the ceiling to keep it open for your garage. Otherwise, you can make these 2 king bunks, or you can make these 2 sofas on the bottom. Bop, now you got a couch here and a couch here. You can set up a dining table in the middle. You can also unleash some cup holders in the middle of each of these. Incredible, mankind's greatest invention right there. There's tie downs all along the floor in this garage to make sure your vehicles don't go anywhere in here. You got your extendable countertop space here. You can lower that if you want more garage room. Farmhouse style sink, cutting board, and a roly-poly dish rack. Glass cleaner here. Make yourself feel like a bartender. And then you got a detachable faucet on your sink here. Right next to that, 3-burner gas stove on an oven, little oven. You can't put your whole Thanksgiving turkey in there, but you can pop in a frozen pizza. Little microwave up top, and then we got our refrigerator. Trev lock is built on, so your brews and hot dogs don't come spilling out. I think that John's like 10 cubic feet. Most of them are. TV backer here. The TV is not included in this, but this is a custom ordered model. If you want a TV, you can get one in there. Through this door, we got our bathroom. Good size porcelain foot flush down there, a lot of pooping room, shower right here. Good amount of headroom for an RV shower. Usually tall guys would have to duck, not in this case. This is an ensuite bathroom, so it is connected to the bedroom as well. You don't have to go through it. You got this sliding door here, obviously. This bed is built in on a slide out. It's also a Murphy bed, so this will fold up into that slide. And then you got storage underneath this wood panel here. Use this as like a work area, good desk area. You can also store all your clothes in there, obviously. Set up a TV if you want. And then you do have a wardrobe area here. Big ol' honking closet space. Please let me know if you got any questions on this bad boy. The phone number is in the bio.